Welcome again. I'm going to show you the HMS Lura's reservation system. Easiest way. These are button sensitive, so you can use a touch screen, you can use a laptop, desktop or tablet or mobile phone. As I said on my earlier video, this can be a mobile phone facilities. You can see, if you imagine this is your mobile phone, or if you imagine this is a tablet screen, everything works. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you the reservation part. How does it work? The lovely reservation system that we have at the moment is you can see on a smaller screen, or even though if you got a tablet or a mobile phone, you can always work. You can book it from that little screen, as well as if you got the big screen. If you see all these rooms at the moment, is show this hotel. This demonstration is totally has got 236 rooms, where 87 rooms are at the moment is available. 3 is been occupied, none are reserved, and 146 are dirty, and there are none pending for checkout. This is a quick glance of how it works. You got reservation, you got the booking, under the booking you got, of course, arrival list, in-house list, you got the departure list, you got the city laser payment, you got out of order, and you can see how many is out of order, and of course there is 2 is out of order. It shows you got the guest, and within the guest you can have managed guest. You got guest documents. I will explain to you about all this later on. You got also phone directory for important numbers that you can keep it. You got the reports, which is reservation advance, guest ledger, manager's revenue, checkout report, reservation status, such as your total status of how it works. That means you can have how many is checking in, how many is reserved, and how many is checking out. You got obviously the company's report, which is shows it. As I said, this is a web based, as well as you can have a desktop based, depends on your internet speed or how you are configuring it. It's quite faster, it's quite handy, is very simple to use. You can see obviously the manager flash reports, and you got the trial balance. Even one of the beauty in here is on the reservation is, if a problem you can see in your lobby area, or a customer has reported there is a problem, it could be any kind of problem, from a maintenance to a Wi-Fi or whatsoever, regardless. You can the olden days you need to take the phone, ring to your maintenance guy, and so on. So you don't have to do those anymore. You just go on to the complaint menu. You just go and write your complaint, and you need to select which room number, or if it is an area you are looking at, and then who you are assigning into the GM or the MD, or if you are assigning into which department you are assigning the problem into. It could be anything. For example, if someone is a housekeeping is making delay, you can select the housekeeping, or if there is a problem with maintenance issues, you can. Now the interesting thing is, whatever you assign it will go into a repair status. It will show it. For example, if I do a repair assign into the GM, for example, and department is say maintenance and reported by whoever, and you write is there is a leakage or whatsoever rubbish, and I just write draining, and then if I do the priority, and obviously I can do it bold or whatsoever, and then if I save it, you will obviously automatically it has gone into the GM's email, as well as you will see GM has got a maintenance repair you will see, you already noticed it earlier, there was no um, numbers now is appeared, because it is me, I'm just sending you the traffic, the complaint. So I will have one of this report, as well as a copy has gone into the maintenance department, the relevant department, and at the same time it has gone into the GM which has been assigned. So it's like you can just make it as many assigned as you like. So this is an extra facilities, is basically an advanced thinking which has been done. Obviously we got the night audit operation, which is a very fantastic things, and you can go and get your full night audit operation. I know it's front office, especially the reservation, is a huge thing. It takes really a lot of time to show you something. I'm not going to show you a quick obviously before I go ahead, as I said, I'll just show you the introduction of the reservation, what options we have, and so on. So